Still in St. Catherine, investigators attached to the St. Catherine South Police Division are building their case against a man suspected to be a serial rapist. Senior Superintendent of Police in charge of the St. Catherine South Police, Clive Blair, told our news center that additional DNA samples have returned positive, linking Chadane Harris with other cases. The 27-year-old, who is already in police custody, is likely to be slapped with additional charges in the coming days.
Samples was taken from the individual who was previously charged for one count of rape. The DNA samples, two of the DNA samples were returned. The results of those DNA samples reveal that they are positive for this individual. So that is where we stand now.
Okay, so
A total of three. It is now a total of 3 DNA samples that have come back positive for this individual.
Harris has already been charged for the rape of a 14-year-old girl in Portmore. DNA evidence also linked him to that case. Harris was nabbed in June after a major manhunt was launched for him. Police say Harris targeted mostly single women in Portmore by breaking into their homes and often raping them at knife point.